Hello, my name is Marney Penn, and welcome back to Prisons and the Pandemic, where we examine the ways COVID-19 is affecting the lives of incarcerated people, correction staff, administrators, and other stakeholders within our criminal justice system. There are now 25,307 confirmed cases of incarcerated people with COVID-19. That's a 20% increase since late last week. In total, 341 incarcerated people have died from COVID-19, which is a 15.5% increase since last week. Cases among prison staff have decreased by 1.5% in that same time, now totaling 8,622. And staff deaths have increased by 3%, now totaling 35. In a recent article published by ProPublica, investigative journalists claim Black Americans are disproportionately arrested and even incarcerated for violating recently instituted stay-at-home orders. Using the metropolitan areas of Ohio as their case study, the authors point to rates of arrest in Columbus, Toledo, and Cincinnati. They found that Black people were at least 4 times as likely to be charged with violating stay-at-home orders as their white peers. In many cases, Black residents who were charged with violating stay-at-home orders were also charged with an additional offense, such as drug possession or disorderly conduct. Observers point out that crowded, unsanitary jails contradict the logic of the orders themselves by further jeopardizing public health. The data produced by ProPublica comes after groups of white demonstrators, some armed, protested stay-at-home orders in Ohio's capital without incident. Why do you think Black Americans are more likely to be charged for social distancing violations than white Americans? Do you think someone should face legal consequences for violating these types of orders? What do the racial disparities in these cases tell us about race and the pandemic more generally? We look forward to your questions and comments, and as always, we at Eastern State Penitentiary hope that you continue to take care of yourselves and each other during these times. My name is Marney Penn, and thanks again for joining us for Prisons and the Pandemic. See you next time.